There's a calling in rock and roll where all roads lead to the Sunset Marquee.
It was like backstage, the backstage area for Los Angeles.
You saw a lot of fellow musicians. We thought we were living in heaven.
This was the great melting pot. Everybody was here.
Ringo Starr, Pete Townsend, Roger Daltrey, Roger Waters, all the Rogers, Lassie.
I'm like, I'm really here? I must be doing well or I wouldn't even be here.
I didn't know about the history, but it was unlike any hotel I'd ever been in.
You sort of fit in with misfits kind of vibe.
If you wanted sex, drugs, and rock and roll, you stayed at the Sunset Marquee.